In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your booking link from Vagaro. If you're a service provider or a business owner using Vagaro, having a booking link is essential. It allows your clients to easily schedule appointments and enhances your customer experience. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you can confidently create your booking link and share it with your clients. First, you'll want to navigate to the Vagaro website. You can simply open up your web browser and enter the URL for Vagaro. Once you're there, log in with your account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to set one up, but today we're assuming you already have access. Once you have successfully logged in, the next step is to locate and click on Go to My Business. This option is usually visible on your dashboard upon logging in. Clicking on it will direct you to the main area where you manage your business and client interactions. Now let's head over to the settings. You can find this by looking at the sidebar or the menu at the top of your screen. The settings option is crucial because it's where you control various aspects of your business on Vagaro. Once you've clicked into settings, take a moment to let the page load as it contains all of your business's finer details. Next, you'll want to navigate to the service class menu. This section allows you to list all the services you offer. It's not just for viewing, this is also where you can tweak the details about each service or class, including pricing, schedules, and more. After opening the service class menu, you'll see a list of the services you currently offer. Find the specific service for which you want to create a booking link. Once identified, you'll notice 3 dots next to the service name. Click those 3 dots to reveal additional options. Finally, you'll see an option to create link. Clicking this will generate a unique booking link specific to that service. This is the very link that you can copy and share with your clients, whether through social media, emails, or on your website. And there you have it. With that link in hand, you're all set to facilitate bookings with ease. It's a great way to keep your business organized and ensure your clients have an effortless way to book appointments with you. If you have any questions or run into issues, remember that Vagaro offers customer support that can help you troubleshoot any problems you might encounter. Thanks for watching, and happy booking!